ब्रेक्स है तो फिर बुलाओ जी, ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हाँ जी, तो इस पे इतने खुश क्यों हो ऐ भाई, तुम तो बरसों पहले ही निकल चुके हो, तो बर्थडे वाला नाटक ये क्यों है भाई। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर बड़ी बुआ, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, आई लव यू। लेट्स बिगिन।
Happy birthday, Didi. You are my lifeline. This is the word I'll dedicate to you. I love you so much. You are my go-to person for everything. You are like my mother. You are my best friend. You are my soul mate. And I think about you whenever I need help. But thank you so much for always being there. And you have always united us. Even though you are so far away, I love you. Thank you, Didi. And she loves you.
Happy birthday, Didi. The first thing which comes to the mind when I see you is that you are a motherly figure, always taking care. Happy birthday, Didi.
Happy birthday, Dee. You are the most loving person we know, and I love you a lot. You are the elder sister I never had, and I love you a lot, lot, lot.
दीदी पकड़ पकड़ कर ली, अब मैं बोल रहा हूँ. You are a very good girl. You are a very sweet girl. प्यारी अच्छी दीदी. तू बहुत अच्छी है. तू वैसी ही रहना जैसी है. अच्छी है, सबसे बेस्ट है. And I love you the lot.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Adventurous. Sangeeta, we think you are very adventurous because you've done so many adventures with us. So here is to many more. Happy birthday, Sangeeta.
Happy birthday, Sangeeta!
Hi, Sangeeta.
Not Sangeeta.
Bolo?
Body Madre.
Like this?
बचपन की याद. Hey Sangeeta, wish you a very very happy birthday. We were told to use adjectives for you like adorable, cute, sweet. You might be those, but for me, you are one of my bachpan ki dost. You know, it's been 2 decades. We have more than 2 decades. We know each other. We have beautiful memories together. Our long phone calls, school, and then we met in Hong Kong. Then parted away with teary eyes, and many 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 more. So stay the way you are. Keep smiling with those closed eyes. Bindi banati raho, khilati raho, and stay happy and blessed. Love you and have a super day.
Amazing. Sam, you have been an amazing friend throughout. I cherish all the time spent with you. Wish you a very happy birthday, Sam. Love you.
Wish you happy birthday, Masi. Love you.
Hi Sam, many happy returns for the day. Live life king size always. Take care.
This word truly describes you, Sam. Just be the way you are. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Love you so much. Miss you.
Hi. लड्डू, मम्मी के हाथ के बने बेसन के लड्डू. I know you love them and so I do. I know you are missing them and so I do. From your old friends and you, here's wishing a very happy birthday to you. Sangi, you are an amazing person. My chaddi buddy friend, you are so true. I know you love me and so I do. I really miss our golden days of school, college, Science City, Nico Park, Alipur Zoo. Those canteen, swimming pool, addabazi on our ground. Super snack bar ke tasty food. I love you. Take care. Good day. Have a great year ahead.
Hey Sangi, you've got the cutest smile. We always tease you about it. Have a great day, great birthday, great year ahead. Hi Sangeeta, happy birthday. You are such a warm and caring person, Sangeeta. We have lots of fun with you and Vian. We love spending time with you, and you're just like family to us here in Singapore. Thanks for always being there. Have a great birthday. Have a wonderful year, and see what Pranay has made for you. And there is your balloon. Bye, Sangeeta.
Bye.
There are so many ways to describe you, Sangeeta. Your infectious smile, your witty disposition, your caring nature, and the most endearing of all is that you're such a genuine, authentic, and sincere person, and an awesome, awesome friend. Stay like that forever. Happy birthday. I love you so much.
Caring. Sangeeta, you are the most caring person I have ever met. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Stay blessed. Missing you so much. Come soon. Love you. Lots of love. Hug. Big, big hug to you.
Caring. You're the most caring person I have met, Sangeeta. A very happy birthday to you, and have a wonderful day. We miss you a lot.
Happy birthday, Sangeeta Maushi. We miss you a lot. Bye.
Happy birthday, Sangi. We miss your bubbly smile every time we all meet. We love you and can't wait to meet you soon. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Sangeeta. Have a fun day.
Happy birthday, Auntie Sangeeta.
Oh, wow. Happy birthday, Sangi. Our cheerful friend. We love you. We miss you every day. Mwah.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sangeeta. Have fun. I say happy birthday.
Okay, so my word is choosy. Sangeeta, you're the most choosy girl I've ever met in my whole life. And so happy for that because you chose me as your friend. I remember the way we used to wander with you in shops from one to another and you did not like anyone. Please keep us making mad like this always. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sangi Masi. बच्चों की favorite Masi. We love you and miss you.
Happy birthday, Sangeeta. Have a blast.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Sangeeta. I love you, Sangeeta. मेरी समझदार बेटी, मेरी प्यारी बेटी.
Lovely Betty, very emotional Betty, very nice, excellent. I love too.
Happy
Sangeeta
birthday
to
to
you.
you. Happy birthday to you.
Bubbly. Happy birthday, Sangeeta. These stay as bright and bubbly as you are. Always smiling. Have an amazing day. Love you.
इंटेलिजेंट.
हैप्पी बर्थडे संगीता भाई.
तुम जियो हजारों साल. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Hi Bhavi, happy birthday. So the one word that describes you the best is cheerful, since you light up the room always. So happy birthday. Start.
Happy birthday to you, Sangeeta. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama.
I love you, Mama.
I love you, Mama.
You are so amazing.
I put two something.
Thank you, Mama,
Thank you, Mama.
for everything.